Hi everybody, we would just like to welcome you back to the Park Guesthouse. After a period of time in lockdown, we are now able to turn in and offer people a safe environment to come back out for dinner. We've followed the government guidelines and the environmental health, and I'm glad to announce that we got our COVID-19 good to go. As you can see, we've got some signs here and there throughout the building, an entry only point at this door, and it's a one-way system, card machine payments where applicable if possible. So when we come in here, you can see that it's please keep your distance for 1 metre minimum. And what we're doing is if you can hit the doorbell, a staff member should arrive. And we're going to take some hand sanitizer before you enter the building. And the staff member here will turn around and welcome you in. One of our staff members will take all your contact details, your name, address and telephone number for the government restrictions and traceability for COVID-19. It'll be kept for 21 days in a secure location. It will not be handed to any third parties, and it will be totally destroyed after the 21-day period. This was the area that we used to have before COVID-19 where people could sit and enjoy a drink before their dinner. But what we've done now is we've actually taken the sofas away to offer free tables, whether it would be 3 different households that wanted to dine together but they can't sit together, they could actually use this space. Or if it was 2 additional households that were joining, like 5 or 6 people from one and an additional person joining, or anybody shielding, then this would be a perfect dining space. This place we've got still in the one-way system here as you go through. We've got a table of 4 and table of 2 space with this screen here. We've also got a reminder of the 1 metre distance, and we're COVID-19 industry standards good to go. We have got a table of 2 here with a screen there in front of you just to shield people from anybody who's going to the toilet. Also, the toilet door will be left open for the 2 private toilets, and these will be checked every hour. There'll be a staff member and cleaned. The hand sanitizer is here, just there, if you would like to use it before you went in. There's also hand sanitizer and soap in the toilets as well. If you'd like to come this way into the conservatory, we've changed things about a little bit in here. We've got 2 tables of 4 with plenty of room in between. All our tables, we're going to have the menu on it and the wine list, which is laminated in perspex, which will be cleaned after every service. We've also got cutlery, which is now going to be put on the tables when the diners are sat. Like most of the restaurant, it's quite airy, but we'll be opening windows to help with the circulation. The one-way system is still in place, and the hand sanitizer is there when you just go to leave. The Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday thing that the government is doing with the 15% discount, we're going to honour that, but unfortunately, we're closed Monday, Tuesday for the time period. So we're going to do the 15% on the Wednesday. And also what we would like to do for the key workers is we would like to additionally add a 10% discount for all key workers on a Thursday and a Friday, just to thank them for all that they've done for us through the COVID-19 restrictions. We hope to see everybody back as soon as possible and welcome you back to the Park Guesthouse. Thanks very much for your time.